Hey guys, today we're gonna do a different kind of video. I do usually I did a vlog, some skits. Did I do a challenge yet? No, I don't think so. And some things, but today's a completely different thing. I'm gonna be doing a review on the Fastlane Power Strike RC car. Yeah, it's a 2.4 gigahertz. It's made in China. It's by Toys R Us. And I'm just gonna give you a total review on it. But one bad thing I found out, you have to unscrew the whole entire, you have to unscrew this just to get the battery in. But the next time it snows, I might do I might make a ramp and record it. Or I might do maybe a $5 RC car versus a $150 RC car. Boom, boom. Yeah. If you Google how fast this goes, it doesn't tell you anything about how fast it goes. I say it goes about maybe 20, 25, or 30. Because it's 9.6 volts the battery. So, I'll get back to you when I'm outside, I guess.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. My name is Skirt Mkakit. I'm a professional driver. See, I got shit, look. See, I'm the best. See, look, you want to see me drive? Just wait, little kid. Oh, yeah, look at the ball. Oh, yeah, I could ball. Well, the thing is that we I couldn't fix to, I couldn't fix this thing. No, this is what I just wanted to flip this area. My child just flipped. Man down. Man down. Man down. Man down. So let's try a different surface, y'all. That's how it's done.
Now we're gonna try like doing it not only grass but like rock. I don't know what to call it. So. One bad thing about it is it's a little too loud. If you want to like tape a knife to it and kill somebody, it's just too loud. Let's go try this out on the driveway. Oops. It's powered mostly by the back tires because it turns like that. So yeah. Meow. Oh gosh, we're on the phone. Okay, now the RC car got it, and so that's the end of this video. Wait a minute, hang on. Oh, whoa, how did that happen? I don't know, because I'm magic. So that's the end of today's video. I might be uploading every other day. I uploaded on Friday. Now it's Sunday, so I might upload on Tuesday. So yeah. So I guess that's the end of this video. And don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more dish. Yeah, so adios, amigo. Bruh. Is it over? No? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna try and grab it. Oops. Man, this thing just can't pop a wheelie. And now I can do this can do flips. Oh! Are you guys okay? Can you go to the hospital? Oh no, hit it. Get back, let me do it. Camera keeps falling. This thing actually is driving with this. That's how cars are supposed to drive, right? Pushing onto our body. So this truck's actually been on one other video. That's it. That's the RC Thief, which you you should go check out. It will be at the end of this video with, my channel. So you better subscribe or I will find you and I will kill your family. Like, this is the knife. And look, this is your family. Look, this is a saw. Cut your family's head off if you don't subscribe and like. So you better subscribe and like, bro. Like and subscribe, or else I will kill your family. Like, that's their head. So peace.